want bears to sleep with you?
Hi,
Hi everybody, welcome back. What do we have today?
So we have a bear workshop.
A Build-A-Bear workshop?
Yeah, and we
That's
have,
cool.
And we have some Finding Dory blind bags.
Some Finding Dory blind bags. Should we do those first?
Yeah. I'm gonna see. They are my name bags.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Here you go, Hands.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to open this one. These white guys. Mommy, I got this one. I got a crab.
Ooh.
Cool.
I think he's one of the rare ones. It doesn't have odds on it, but I got the sea otter.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that, Hannah.
What did you get?
We're gonna open it. I'm going to open it. Oh my God.
Oh, Mom got Becky.
Becky.
You got Hank?
Yeah.
Cool.
Now let's open this.
Hannah, who'd you get?
Dory.
You got Dory?
Yeah, I got eight.
What does she sing?
Well,
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming.
now we're going to do the baby workshop.
Yeah, this thing looks fun.
Yeah.
Let's get it open.
Instead, you can get all kinds of bears.
So we got everything out of the box, and it comes with the cotton filler. So you put the bear on there and fill it with the cotton. Makes it all fluffy. It comes with 2 bears to fill up, a pink one and a brown one, and it's got clothes in there to put on your bear. There's another thing of cotton to do the second bear, and one comes already in the machine. I think we have to unwrap it though. And then it also comes with these birth certificates for your bear. And it comes with these cardboard pop-out decorations that you can have your bear hold. So we'll give it a try.
Now let's start filling.
Yeah. It says to take off the lid. Get this piece of cotton out.
This is going to be a lot of fun.
Feel this stuff. It's fluffy, huh?
You want to touch it,
Can
Hannah?
you feel Hands?
Yeah. Can I put it in that thing?
Sure. Put it in the machine.
Fluffy and fluffy, fluffy.
There you go. That's all you have to do. Let's put the lid back on.
Put it on. And grabby. And tape.
Now, I think this is probably going to take 2 people, so we'll get the bear
Yeah.
out. And the bear goes right on here. Okay, I'll hold it down and you can twist. I see the cotton going in there.
Yeah, go and get my bear.
Is your arm getting tired?
Yeah.
Want Mom to give it a spin?
No, I want it.
You can have a turkey.
And you want the brown bear? Yeah. Do you want to sleep with your brown bear? Don't worry, Billy. I'll sleep with you every night.
There's more cotton going in.
Like this way?
Yep.
Am I good, Mom?
Yep, just about.
Almost all out of there. Keep going.
Oh, my arm's getting tired.
Oh, muscle through.
Muscles.
All right, I think that's all we're gonna get out of there. Oh, more's going.
Keep going. I'm doing it. I'm finally doing it.
All right, good job. Let's get all this cotton out. Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh, I gotta shove it in there. Fluff up the bear. need littler fingers for this. Daddy's got too big of fingers.
Dad, I can do it.
I'm gonna try to stuff it down in the legs. Put more cotton in for Hannah's.
Yeah.
Are you gonna do one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I can help her with the stuffing. Mommy, that pink pant's going to be so big.
Look at you. You got that in one try. Daddy's been having trouble this whole time.
This is going to go not well. Am I doing it?
This is gonna go out well.
Am I doing it?
Yep, in just a minute.
You got it.
Can do it. Go. Can do it. Can you do it?
Can you do it the other way?
Yeah.
This way.
Whee!
What?
Like that.
There,
Should Daddy finish filling it up?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll finish filling it up for you. Hannah, where's your heart that goes in the bear? That goes inside the bear.
Yeah, but
Can you put it in there?
Yeah, but
No,
you.
in the bear. See? Look, in the back of the bear.
Did you show her how?
Like this. See? Way in the heart.
What was your wish?
I hit that at the bear to sleep with me for real.
You want bears to sleep with you?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if I want to share my bed with a bear.
I put it in.
What if it's a mean bear?
Hannah, you
Put
put the little,
stuff
the little
on.
heart. The little heart inside your bear.
See? Sissy put right there.
Yep, it goes inside. Can Sissy show you?
Can, nope.
Can your sister show you?
So let's Sissy put it there.
Look what your sister's doing, Hannah.
Can Sissy put it inside you? Zip it. Oh, here you go, hands.
Yay!
Now let's put the clothes on.
Yeah. What's on that shirt?
A kitty.
A kitty cat? Hannah, what's on the shirt for your bear? Stars and a heart? Yep, they make different ones too. I saw a rainbow patterned bear and there was a polka dot one.
That was a kitty.
It was a cat?
Yeah.
So if you're interested in those, we'll put links in the description so that you can find them.
I did a good job.
Yeah? Have a dance party. Tell that bear to shake his booty.
Shake my
Shake
booty.
the booty, shake the booty.
Shake my booty. Shake my booty.
So what do you think of this toy?
Really cool.
Pretty cool?
Yeah.
What bear do you like the best?
This
That one?
one.
Yeah.
I like everything.
You like everything?
Shake a booty, babe. Shake my booty. Shake my booty.
If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Bye, bye.
Bye everybody!